What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite one-pot meals, chicken and sausage jambalaya. So let's get right into it. All right, first things first, we're going to go ahead and dice up our veggies. I'm starting out with a green bell pepper. I like to give this a fine dice. If you like larger pieces, that's fine too. I'm going to do the same thing with my celery. I'm using 2 stalks here. Go ahead and split them down the middle. Then give those a fine dice as well. All right, move that to the side and go ahead and grab you 1 large onion. Go ahead and give that a fine dice. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and finally mince up some garlic. All right, we're gonna set this aside and then we're gonna grab our andouille sausage. You wanna cut it down to some equal pieces. Then we're gonna set that aside and we're gonna grab our chicken. Now for my chicken, I'm using some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. But you can't use chicken breast if you want. Thighs, of course, give you a better flavor. So I'm trimming out the fat here, and then I'm gonna chop this into some 1-inch pieces. All right, once I got them all chopped up, I'm gonna season it up with some of my favorite roasted garlic herb blend. And then we're gonna set this aside. All right, we're gonna grab our pot, and we're gonna add some oil, and we're gonna add in our andouille sausage. The goal here is to get it into a single layer so you can get some nice color on all sides. All right, once you got some color like this right here, you can go ahead and take out your sausage. See that nice color we got? So now we're done with our sausage, so we're gonna get this out the pan and we're gonna add in our chicken. Now for the chicken, we're gonna do the same thing. We'll get it spread out and we'll let it cook for a few minutes without touching it so we can get some nice color on it as well. All right, once you got your color on your chicken, you can take it out. And now we're gonna add in our veggies. Okay, you see I added a little bit more oil and then I added my onions, my bell pepper and celery. We're gonna cook this for a few minutes. And then while you're cooking it, try to scrape up those bits off the bottom. All right, now I'm adding that minced garlic that we minced up earlier. We're gonna let that cook for about a minute. Continue to scrape at those bits on the bottom. Now we're gonna add in about a tablespoon or 2 of tomato paste. And we're gonna mix this in and allow that to cook for a few seconds along with your veggies. All right, once that's well incorporated, we're gonna add in some uncooked rice. All your measurements will be listed in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out. You want to get this well incorporated, and then we'll go in with our liquids. For my liquid, I'm just going to use some water here. Now you can use chicken broth. Go ahead and get that mixed up. Now we're going to season this up. Now you can season this up however you want. I'm going in with some basic seasonings. We're going to do some garlic powder, some onion powder. We're gonna do some salt and pepper, some cayenne pepper, which is optional if you want a little bit spicy, and some parsley flakes. Again, these seasonings will be listed down below, so don't worry about trying to remember them. Now here I'm going in with some chicken base. If you use chicken broth earlier instead of water, then you won't need this chicken base. But go ahead and get that all mixed up. All right, now we're gonna add in that chicken and sausage that we grilled up earlier. Be sure to pour that juice in there too. This all good flavor. Go ahead and mix this up. We're gonna bring it to a boil, and then we're gonna lower it to a simmer and cover it up with a lid for about 15-20 minutes till all your water is about gone. Okay, once that 15-20 minutes up, I like to cook it for another few minutes with the lid off just to get out the rest of that water. All right, once your jambalaya looks like this, you're done. You just want to add in some chopped green onions. And just like that, you got some chicken and sausage jambalaya. I guarantee your whole family gonna love this. I want you to drop me a comment right now and let me know what you think. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and get this plated up. We're gonna give it a taste test. Check it out, see how we did. Look at that right there. Tell me how beautiful that jambalaya is. And oh yeah, that's off the chain. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Deuces.